You are confused and do not know what is the best option to replace a missing tooth. This is Dr. Taj, and today we're breaking down tooth replacement options, specifically focusing on the dental implant versus bridge. It's a showdown. It's a common dilemma choosing between these two options for replacing missing teeth. Throughout this video, we'll dissect the procedures, pros and cons of each method, providing you with a comprehensive understanding to make an informed decision. So buckle up as we take a deep dive into these two popular tooth replacement options. First up, we have the dental bridge. This is a tried and tested method of replacing missing teeth. Dental bridges, as their name suggests, bridge the gap left by one or more missing teeth. They rely on the teeth adjacent to the gap, known as abutment teeth, to support a false tooth or pontic in between. The process begins with the reduction of the abutment teeth. This step is necessary to create room for the bridge that will be cemented onto after the teeth have been reshaped and impression is taken. This impression serves as a model for the dental lab to create your unique bridge. Finally, the bridge, carefully crafted to match your natural teeth, is cemented into place. Now let's talk about the pros of this procedure. To start with, dental bridges have a pretty good lifespan, holding up well over time. They can also be done relatively quickly, giving you a fast solution to the problem of missing teeth. Once in place, bridges are fixed and not removable, providing a stable and durable solution. And on the financial side, bridges often cost less than implants, making them a more budget-friendly option. But there are also cons to consider. Over time, the bone beneath the bridge may start to melt away, a process called bone resorption. This can potentially affect the appearance of your smile and the shape of your face. Additionally, the need to modify healthy adjacent teeth to support the bridge can carry potential risks. Lastly, cleaning a bridge can be a bit tricky as flossing between connected crowns is limited. In summary, while dental bridges do have their advantages, there are also potential drawbacks to consider. It's important to weigh these factors against each other and discuss them with your dentist to make an informed decision that best suits your needs and circumstances. Next, let's explore the world of dental implants, a more modern solution to tooth loss. Implants are essentially artificial tooth roots, typically made from titanium, that are placed into the jawbone. They provide a solid foundation for a replacement tooth and are a popular choice due to their natural look and feel. The dental implant procedure is a bit more involved than the bridge procedure. First, a space is created in the bone where the missing tooth once was. This is followed by the implantation of a titanium post into that space. Over time, this post fuses with the bone in a process known as osseointegration, creating a strong and sturdy base for the new tooth. Once the titanium post is fully integrated with the bone, a connector or abutment is attached to the post. This abutment serves as a base for the new tooth, which is custom made to match your natural teeth in terms of size, shape, and color. Now let's talk about the pros of dental implants. First, they have an impressive longevity with a survival rate of 95% after 15 years. Second, they're excellent for individual tooth replacement, leaving the adjacent teeth untouched. Third, they're easy to clean. Unlike bridges, there are no connected crowns, making maintenance a breeze. Lastly, dental implants are not susceptible to cavities, giving them an edge in terms of dental health. However, dental implants do come with their share of costs. The initial cost is higher compared to bridges, which can be a significant factor for many. Furthermore, the procedure is more involved, requiring surgery and the healing period. So as you can see, dental implants offer a host of benefits, but they also come with their share of drawbacks. Now that we've covered both procedures, you might be wondering which option is right for me. Well, consider the upfront cost. Bridges often cost less initially, but implants may offer more benefits long term. Remember, what works best is for you to decide based on your criteria and values. We've covered a lot of ground today in our dental implant versus bridge showdown, from procedure overviews to pros and cons. Remember, your decision should balance all factors. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more informative content.